Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about if they give you one midpoint and one endpoint, how you will find the another endpoint. Okay, so similar to the midpoint concept. Okay, for example, the first question, if the line segment AB, okay, it has a midpoint 2 comma 5, okay, and the point A is point A is 6 comma 9. Okay. Find the another end point. Okay. So we will label it as point A 6 comma 9 as x1 y1. Okay. B, which we don't know, which is x2 comma y2. And the midpoint M is 2 comma 5. Okay. So what is the formula for the midpoint? X1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. And the M point they gave you as 2 comma 5. What is x1? 6. We don't know x2. So 6 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 is 9 plus y2 over 2. Okay. So now average of after writing this step, average of the first one is equal to the first quadrant and the average of the y coordinates is equal to 5. Okay. So we have to make equal to each other. So I'll write it here. In order to solve x2, what we will do, 6 plus x2 over 2 equal to 2. When you cross multiply, 6 plus x2 equal to 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Now subtract 6 on both the sides. X2 will be negative 2. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find the y value, what we have to do, 9 plus y2 over 2 value is equal to 5. Okay. Cross multiply. So 9 plus y2 equal to 10. Y2 equal to 10 minus 9, which is y2 is 1. So the end point will be negative 2 comma 1. Is it clear? The end point will be negative 2 comma 1. Coming to the second example, they gave you the midpoint as 9 comma 7. Okay. And point C as 10 comma 4. Okay. And they want you to find B. Okay. So for the point C, whatever they gave you, if you label it as x1, y1, B, we don't know x2. So we will label it as x2, y2. So what is the formula? x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2 is equal to the midpoint M. Okay. What is x1 now? 10 plus x2, we don't know, over 2 is equal to y1 is 7. 7 plus y2 over 2 equal to midpoint 9 comma 7. Okay. So now in order to solve for x, we will do 10 plus x2 over 2 is equal to 9. 7 plus y2 over 2 equal to 7. Cross multiply. 10 plus x2 equal to 18. Okay. So x2 is equal to 18 minus 10, which is 8. Now cross multiply from the second equation. 7 plus y2 over 2 equal to 7. So 7 plus y2 equal to, when you cross multiply, 2 times 7 is 14. 7 plus y2 equal to 14. Now to solve for y2, we don't want 7. Subtract 7 on both the sides. Y2 value will be equal to 14 minus 7, which is 7. Okay. So the midpoint M is 8 comma 7. Is it clear? Coming to the third example, they will give you one endpoint as minus 3 comma 2. Okay. And they gave you midpoint as 9 comma 0. We have to find the another endpoint now. Okay. We have to find another endpoint. Okay. So we can consider the given endpoint as x1 comma y1, and this is m, right? The formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. What is the midpoint now? M, which is 9 comma 0, which is equal to minus 3 plus x2, we don't know, sorry, this is y1. x2 we don't know, which is 2. y1 is 2 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay. So now you will equal the first coordinate to the first one and the second one. Okay. Minus 3 plus x2 divided by 2 equal to 9. Minus 3 plus x2 equal to, when you cross multiply here, 2 times 9, which is 18. Okay. Minus 3 plus x2 equal to 18. We don't want minus 3. The reverse operation is plus 3. So x2 equal to 21. Okay. Now we have to solve for y. Y value here is 0. 2 plus y2 over 2 equal to 0. When you cross multiply, 2 plus y2 equal to 0 times 2, which is 0. Subtract 2 on both the sides, so y2 equal to minus 2. So the point x2 comma y2 value will be 21 comma minus 2. Okay. Now coming to the last example. They gave you a line segment BC. The B value is 4 comma 2 and the midpoint is 6 comma 8, and they want you to find the C, okay, which you will label it as x2 y2. Okay, the first one we'll consider it as x1 y1. So they gave you the midpoint M, which is 6 comma 8, and one endpoint as 4 comma 2, and they want you to find the another endpoint C. Okay, so midpoint is nothing but average of the 2 points x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. Midpoint is 6 comma 8, which is equal to x1 is 4 plus x2 over 2 comma 2 plus y2 over 2. Is it clear? Now make the first point equal to the first number. So 4 plus x2 over 2 equal to 6. From there, what we can write? 4 plus x2 equal to cross multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. Subtract 4 on both the sides. X2 will be 8. Okay. Similarly, now we have to make the y values equal to each other. 2 plus y2 over 2 equal to 8. 2 plus y2 equal to 16. Subtract 2 on both the sides. Y2 will be 14. Okay. So the another endpoint x2 comma y2 coordinates are 8 comma 14. Is it clear? So 8 comma 14 will be your final answer. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about finding an endpoint when they give you a midpoint and one endpoint. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.